suspended in there trying to get off. But watch this. That's not the best part. You can crack off a piece of this pretzel. That's flip it around. Where's the camera? Okay, the camera is right there. Pretzel. There. You want it? Catch it. Look at my blue one. That was a majestic shot right there. Hey guys, we are being attacked by seagulls. Sorry, these vlogs are so short. They're all in one day. It's just things are hours apart. Look at all of these guys. They're all just chilling. Just chilling. You guys can't chill in my crib. What are you guys doing here? Get on out of here! Get on out of here! Seriously, you guys just sit there? Close these guys are getting there. Look at that guy. He's just freaking chilling. Look at these guys. They're just going insane over a couple of freaking pretzels. And my little... No. My pretzels. Okay, now my pretzels. You guys want it? Oh, no. It's mine. Yeah. You guys want a sandy pretzel? You guys want a sandy pretzel? Want a sandy pretzel? Someone catch it? Look at them, they're all just chilling. Oh, that guy just lost the fly. Okay, I'm gonna see what happens if I just build the whole pretzel up. You guys want it? Here, just throw it up. Oh, it's too big. That guy's going off with the whole pretzel. I'm going off with that whole pretzel. Look at him. What's going on with the pretzel? He's not even eating it. So yeah. These not pelicans. Okay, so we're getting. What is this? Oh, you guys got bored of catching it? Just want to grab these. Oh, you got another one. Okay, yeah, we should give them little pieces. Oh, they're both fighting. Yep. Oh my god! Guys, so majestic. So majestic. And he flies away. And then that guy is left out of all the fun. Look at him, he's like, oh, I'm so left out. And then all these guys are just like, dude, it's on the road. That is what's going on right now. These should be called beach vlogathons. Yes, beach vlogathons. 3 more days. Hey! No. Look at them. Look how close they're getting to me because they just want to. I guess I know that I'm not going to kill him. I'm surrounded. He's got. Oh, the guy just went for me. No! Look at that. They're so majestic. It scratches me. You're probably going to get like pneumonia or something. This is like the longest video. The whole vlog is like the beaches on. Hello, Mr. Majestic. Just chilling out. Oh yeah, so why wouldn't we zoom out? Hey guys, that is the news on the secret news on my dad.
Hey.
Yeah, what's up?
I'm looking for food. I'm looking for food in a White Cat Beach.
Say hello to the internet.
Hey, I love the internet.
He loves the internet apparently. Ray, stop good. Look at that. He chases up. He took my whole pretzel. He took my pretzel. Dingledorfs. lost 2 members to the beat. No. What are those things? Those pelicans? Way out there. Oh god, that's so freaking pixelated. Try to turn the brightness up. Oh. Just pelicans. Damn pelicans trying to oversteal your food. Well, no, that's a seagull. Looks like, oh, I was about to say, it looks like a seagull. Nope. It's still at it. Much beat toys, I failed. Ouch. Why is this thing so hard to freaking move? Just sand it. Oh yeah, this is the one that I can never get to sand at. It's an RA. It's worse than Nemo's dad could have ever expected. Okay, sorry if I gave some epilepsy. See, sorry if I gave you some epilepsy. See, look at all just around me. Like turn into a ball. Go! Okay, we stop feeding the birds. I'm just gonna chill out here in my crib. Jesus,